Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my Facebook page. Let's take your bun pin and make a bun out of it and make some interesting, fold it into with the help of your rubber band and make this lovely bun. Now here we have another interesting hairstyle that will add on to your charm and beauty. Make a pattern like this with one small thin ponytail and this ribbon hairstyle, ribbon on the side of it, and with two pleats coming out and lock up with your lovely clip. Now we have another interesting hairstyle that will definitely take your look to, you will say wow while seeing the end result. Now make some ponies like this and tie the other end of the hair with the help of your clip, and then crisscrossing the hair and making patterns like this from the side to the end and making this circular pattern and just crisscrossing from the end to the middle and this circular pattern and tying it from the middle and making it inside it, lock it up with the help of your Tic Tac pin, and here's the end result. Proceeding further in the video, let's see what are we. This is the lovely bun that can keep you off the summers in the street. Let's see what are we now making into. Yes, you can definitely use these hairstyles for a long summer, sweat-free summer hot season, isn't it? That will keep you cool all day long. That will make you look cool. Proceeding further in the video, let's see what are we going through now. Yes, this is something beautiful. Now with the help of a beautiful, lovely blue and pink ribbon, you can make this lovely hairstyle pattern that will look you stand out. Let's see what are we going through next, making a bun like this. With the help of a comb, just fold the hair like this and with the help of your clip, pin it like this and you will end up getting this result. In the proceeding further video, we are going to roll your with the help of your red rubber band. Making side pleats like this is of utter importance. Yes, again folding or rolling the hair like this and tacking it with the help of a pin. Isn't it looking beautiful and amazing? Yes, definitely. Again, what other things are we there in the video in store for you? Let's have a close look on them, and why won't you try these lovely hairstyles on yourself or on something you know known to you? Yes, and these lovely patterns, these lovely crisscrossing of hair in this way, that will definitely make you look confident and will make your day. Isn't it amazing? Here we are going to again interesting video on lovely beautiful hairstyles that will add on to your beauty. Aren't you excited for the same?